What's going on, guys? How are we all doing? Another explore. Not a huge distance from home, and it's pretty epic. I'm very surprised I've never seen this place before. If you didn't know about it, you'd never find it. That's all I'm going to say. There's a lot of antiques, and basically a lot of it, doors have just been kicked in. It looks like people have just been looking through for valuables, and yeah, this is what's left. But it's pretty awesome. You got a connection in the place. That's all I'm going to say. Just look at the views out there. There's just mountains everywhere. This is a children's bedroom. As you can see, it's got some dolls, etc. in here. It's literally, the door was on the floor, so I've moved the door just to get in here properly so I can take some nice shots with the camera. Drawers are everywhere, and like jewellery boxes are opened, etc. So people have been there with one intention in mind. Photograph, not sure if that's the daughter, maybe whose room it actually was. He said his dolls, toys everywhere in here. Just look at that window, that would have been incredible back in the day. Stunning. As you can see, it's just been ransacked. People seeing what they can take out of here. That's a very cool hat. I like that. That is cool paperwork. So the bathroom is still set up like the last day someone used it. So you mean about the drawers being brought in? People have just been searching through. Look at these little Hercules, that's very cool. You know, a commode, so someone elderly was probably in here. Yeah, and Hercules' toothbrush is still hanging up. This is a room with Kurt's in, taking some shots. Hopefully you won't mind me just having a little nosy. Just look at the clocks in here, guys. A doll inside a box in there. Cardiff, that's incredible. Family portraits at the back there. So it's sad how it's just left like this, guys. Boxes, obviously the main bed is gone. Doll's head, that's cool. Nice little boat. It's a little organ. That's quite cool though, isn't it?
Is it chode or something?
Chode organ. There's a lot of games as well, like retro games and all that around here. And kits, etc. Which is pretty awesome. So it looks like standard farmer sort of thing. Let's take you on downstairs. So this is a point where the floor's a bit dodgy, as you can see it's gone there. So we'll just be careful going through this part. It's a lovely sized house as well. The belt's still hanging up. That's actually the kitchen, which is locked. We can get at it through an outside door. Let's go take a look at the barn area. TV, Edinburgh Castle, that's very cool, especially me and the boys have been there. This is a unique little room. It's rather dark in here. Whiskies, hammers from an auction, me. You know, a lot sold. You know, potentially it could be a hoarder's home. Whiskies. Random ladder. There's just stuff everywhere. All magazines. Potentially looks like another stairs. Is it? It is. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to turn the video off because that's quite steep. And start it back up at the top. So we've made it up that very steep staircase, guys. Looks like they've been using it as storage. There's cobwebs galore in here. See some old toys. Old puzzle games. Definitely storage, I would have guessed. There's a wig there as well, that's different. This is a pretty wholesome location though. That I will say. Roof is gone in here, sadly. Boots. That's very cool. Old Christmas decorations. It's a shame to see it like this, guys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just head on downstairs now. We'll do some outside stuff and we'll also have a look at the kitchen. As you can see, the door has just been kicked open, sadly. Coat's still hanging up. All the old wallpapers, but they are falling back. The place is just cobwebs. Looks like some outer buildings down there also. Quite interesting. Go take a little look. Wow. That old bicycle hanging up. That's very cool. Just looks like there's parts of everything. I'm not going to go stumbling through there, guys. Not to disturb it, but I don't want to damage anything either. Let's have a little nosy. Child's bicycle. BMX. Old door. Definitely looks like someone's been through there, guys. That's not what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you was the kitchen area. I see someone's done that with some force to get that off. Looks like people have been searching through stuff out here. Lovely kitchen area. So look at this place, what a shame. I will do a video in here, guys. I'm just gonna go and do some more pictures first and I will pick it up on in there. Right, guys, here we go. We're in the kitchen part of the house now. This is quite sad because it's very like personalised photos, etc. Yeah, let's have a look. That is absolutely stunning. Just check out that burner. Very, very cool. It's such a surprise. All the copper piping is still in here. There's all newspapers. 2005 the date on that newspaper.
That's been nailed.
Nail claws. That wouldn't, yeah, that's got to be freshly smashed because of all the way the pins are on that. Otherwise, you know, it would have with the winter and that, yeah. Yeah, definitely some old postcards. Roof parking. Again, drawers being ransacked. Original AA badge. Yeah, quick thinking actually. So it's literally just been ransacked, isn't it? People just looking through and picking out what they want to pick out. It's very much got that vibe of like going to your grandma's house, haven't it? The personalised photos, bless them. And look at that, guys. Old Motorola phone. Probably still better battery than an iPhone battery. Yeah, personalised photos, very sad. Said joyful times there probably was in this house at some point. That's very, very cool. Microscope or something. Come on in. More drinks. We just have mail falling everywhere. Knife out. And just like a little pantry. Cupboard with a back door. Chest freezer. Oh, bags. And yeah, that's gonna be it, I think, for this video, guys. Let's say on a rundown, pretty damn cool explore. I've enjoyed it. It's sad at the same time. There's not many houses like these actually left. They haven't been totally graffitied and vandalised, so it's nice to see. Yeah, sad points with it as well, obviously. And I tell you what is pretty cool, which you found with Kurt found over here as we're wrapping up. What do you do to start that up?
Alright.
So the torch still lit. No, that's a cool one, guys. So yeah, it's a wrap up from us. Exploring my good buddy Kurt. Link will be in the description to this channel as well. And yeah, see you all in the next one, guys. Take it easy.